Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to play hot chocolate with whipped cream date. So notice this time we're going to use a tie note. You can see that on the screen. So if the two notes are tied, notice that there has to be the same notes. Then the second one does not need to be played again. So if you see a quarter note tied to another quarter note, that equals a half note. And so if you see a half note tied to a half note, that will equal a whole note. Okay, so this piece we are also still going to use the C major 5-finger pattern to play. Notice that it's in 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in that kind of 3 beats feel, almost like a waltz. So 2, 3. That's the first 4 measures. So our thumb is going to place on G. So notice this is the 5-finger pattern. So our thumb landed on G. C, D, E, F, G. Okay? And then our right hand is going to start on C. So left, right, right. This is the pattern. So play that a couple of times. So left, right, right, left, right, right. And second measure, we're going to move from C to D, and left hand stays the same. Second measure, G, D, D. So now it's the first 2 measures, G, C, C, G, D, D. And then the third measure, we're going to move up to E, and then 2, 3. So E, D, C, G, 2, 3. Okay. And then the next page, I forgot to mention, this is on page 74 and page 75. The next 2 pages, we're going to start on F. F, E, D, C, D, E. And then the next note is a tied note on D. And the first measure is a dotted half note, which has 3 beats. So the second measure that's tied to is also a dotted half note. So together, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So you would have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then the next line is the same as the beginning. 2, 3. And the very last 4 measures, we're so close to our hot chocolate with whipped cream. So start on F, and then 3 G's on the left hand, and then our tie note on C with 6 beats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. This is with accompaniment. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cup of hot chocolate with whipped cream sounds really good. So hopefully you learned this today. Happy practicing.